Good day, sir. This is the compilation of my word of the day. First is abode. Abode, ang iyang synonyms is residence or kanang balay kung asa nagpuyo ang isa ka tawo. Second is amiable. Ang iyang synonym is friendly or it means ang isa ka tawo nga kanang palaibigan or someone nga dali pakisamahan. Third is chimerical. Ang iyang synonym is katang isip lamang or mga butang nga kanang lisod siya abton. Fourth is taciturn. Iyang synonyms is quiet or hilomon. So taciturn means kanang mga tao nga kanang dili hilig nga magsaba-saba. Number 5 is perfidious. Ang iyang synonyms kay deceitful. Ang iyang pasabot is kanang butang nga dili siya dali nga kasaligan. Number 6 is abstruse. Iyang synonyms kay difficult or complex. Pasabot sa abstruse kay kanang mga bagay nga komplikado siya in terms of kanang sabton. So number 7 is enigmatic. Enigmatic means mga butang nga lisod siya hatagan og meaning or lisod siya sabton. Ang iyang synonym is cryptic. Number 8 is frugal. Pasabot ana kanang tao nga hilig magtipid even sa pagkaon. So ang iyang synonym is matipid. Number 9 is diminish. Ang iyang synonyms kay reduce or decrease. So diminish means pababaan or bawasan. Number 10 is serendipity. Iyang synonym kay fortune. Serendipity means kanang mga butang nga nahitabo sa imong kinabuhi nga wala nimo siya gi-expect nga imo siyang ma-experience. Number 11 is mellifluous. Ang iyang synonyms kay melodious. Mellifluous pasabot kanang nindot paminahon or tamis nga tingog. So number 12 is benevolent. Iyang synonyms kay kind. Kind kanang isa ka tawo nga buutan og andam mo tabang sa uban nga wala ay nag-expect sa any kanang kapalit. So number 13 is deleterious. Yang synonyms kay harmful or damaging. So it means kanang makadaot sa panglawas or sa kahimtang sa imong kinabuhi. Number 14 is diligence. Iyang synonyms kay carefulness. So number 15 is fervent. Iyang synonyms kay passionate. So having or showing very strong feelings or beliefs. So that is the meaning. So number 16 is fortitude. Iyang synonym is courage or resilience. So it means kanang ligon ang imong pagsalig in to fight sa mga pagsulay. So number 17 is haughty. Yang synonyms is arrogant. So number 18 is eminent. Iyang synonym is impending or coming. So iyang meaning is about to happen very soon. So number 19 is pacify. Iyang synonym is calm. So it means to bring peace to someone, to make someone less angry or hostile. Number 20 is serene. Iyang synonyms is calm or peaceful. So it means completely calm or quiet. It is free from worry or free from trouble. So number 21 is pernicious. Iyang synonym is destructive or harmful. It means having a very harmful or damaging effect, often in a slow or hidden way. So number 22 is precarious. Iyang synonym is uncertain. So precarious means not firmly fixed or safe, likely to fail or cause danger anytime. Number 23 is revere. Iyang synonym is respect. So it means to feel or show deep respect, love, and admiration for someone. Number 24 is tenacious. Yung synonym is determined, or it means not easily giving up or holding firmly to a goal, belief, or purpose bisan unsa pa kalisod sa sitwasyon. Number 25 is trepidation. It means, or ayan synonym is fear. So it means a feeling of fear, nervousness, or worry about something nga pwede mahitabo in the future.